In this brief tutorial, I will show you how you can plot multiple data sets in LoggerPro. If we take a look, we already see that at the moment I have two different data sets that are plotted on this graph. On the x-axis, we have some values, and on the y-axis, we see that there are two labels showing that we are indicating a Z2 data set and a Z data set. Now, if we look over in our data table over here, we see that we have some X values, we have some Y values, we have some Z values. And if I scroll across, we can see there's multiple data sets, but I've only chosen a plot two. The idea of this tutorial is just to show you how you get more than one graph at the same time. Technique is very simple. All you do is go over here to the Y-axis, you click on the label, and if I only want to look at one of the columns, I just simply select the one that I'd like to look at, and this shows me the Z data, how it relates to X. I can click on the label again and switch to Y if I would like. I can click on the X. I can click on any of them, really. Now, what I wanted to show you in this tutorial was how you can see more than one at a time. So if I wanted to see all of the data sets, I can click all of the above. And when I do all of the above, we see every single column. Now, this is not always useful. Sometimes it is, sometimes not. If I had 30 data sets, for example, this wouldn't be very good because I'd have data points all over the place. It would be extremely messy. So if we only want to see a few of the selected columns, we just click on the label again. Again, when we view this, we just pick the variables that we'd like to look at, and I select more. And when I go to more, now I have the option to choose whichever data sets I would like to look at the same time. So for example, if I only wanted to look at Y and Z, I can turn off Z2, and we would, as expected, hopefully see that we will have two data sets plotted. And that's what we have here. Hopefully this lesson was helpful in letting you determine how to plot multiple data sets at one time on a LoggerPro screen.